As the crisp autumn air settles in and the leaves begin their golden transformation, your outdoor space holds endless possibilities. What if your porch could become a cozy retreat where every detail whispers warmth and charm? With just the right touches, you can turn your backyard into an enchanting haven for the season. From soft lighting to rustic accents, these fall decor ideas will make your outdoor spaces irresistibly inviting. So, how will you set the stage for the perfect autumn escape? The answer lies in just a few simple changes that can make all the difference. In this video, we're not just sharing generic fall decor tips. You'll discover ideas tailored to maximize your outdoor space's potential. Whether you have a small porch or a sprawling backyard, these tips are designed to make your space stand out with minimal effort. Curious about what sets these ideas apart? Stick around and you'll see how small changes can make a big impact. Welcome back to the Home Adorn channel where design dreams come true. Fall is finally here, and I can't wait to show you some fantastic ways to bring that cozy autumn vibe to your outdoor spaces. Whether you're working with a small porch or big backyard, I've got some creative ideas that will make your space feel warm and inviting without breaking the bank. Let's talk lighting. It's amazing how a few well-placed lights can turn a basic porch into a magical retreat. String lights are perfect for wrapping around railings or draping above your seating area. And who doesn't love the soft glow of lanterns or candles on a chilly evening? Next up, seasonal decor. Sometimes it's the little things that make the biggest difference. A beautiful fall wreath on your front door can instantly set the tone. Pumpkins and gourds are a must, of course. Scatter them around your porch or patio for that unmistakable fall feel. And don't forget to toss a few plaid blankets and pillows on your seating areas. Let's talk seating, because what's an outdoor space without a comfy place to relax? Adding an outdoor rug can warm up the space and make it feel more inviting. Cushions and throws are a must for both style and comfort. And if you really want to take it up a notch, consider a fire pit or an outdoor heater. Now, let's make your space truly your own with some personal touches. DIY projects like custom planners or hand-painted signs can add a unique flair that's all you. Consider adding some seasonal plants, mums, ornamental cabbages, or other autumn flowers that thrive in cooler weather. One of the key elements in outdoor decor is creating a focal point, something that instantly catches the eye and sets the tone for the rest of the space. Consider a large pumpkin display, a unique sculpture, or even a cozy fire pit as your centerpiece. Decorative arches or pergolas can also frame the space beautifully. Nature is one of the best sources of inspiration for fall decor. Why not use what's already in your yard? Fallen leaves can be creatively incorporated into arrangements or displays. Branches and twigs make for beautiful additions to wreaths or planters. And don't forget about pine cones and acorns. Scatter them around for added texture and depth. If you're working with a smaller outdoor space, don't worry. You can still make it cozy and stylish. Vertical decor, like hanging planters or wall-mounted decorations, can maximize space. Multifunctional furniture, such as benches with hidden storage, is perfect for small areas. And when it comes to lighting, string lights or small lanterns are your best friends. Layering textures and colors is a great way to add depth and interest to your outdoor decor. Mix different materials like wood, metal, and fabric for a rich look. Stick to seasonal colors like deep oranges, browns, and reds to keep it cohesive. And don't forget those cozy layers. Blankets, rugs, and pillows can make a huge difference. Incorporating edible elements like pumpkins, gourds, apples, and pears can add a beautiful, natural touch to your outdoor space. Arrange them creatively around your space, or use them in centerpieces and on tables. Thank you for joining me on this journey through fall decor for outdoor spaces. We've covered a lot today, from creating a warm and cozy atmosphere with the right lighting, to adding personal touches with seasonal decor, and even making the most of smaller spaces. I hope these ideas inspire you to transform your outdoor areas into a beautiful autumn retreat.